Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find REDnote app as you see, and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support